Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to enable or disable following up suggestions in the mail on the iPhone. So today in front of me is the iPhone 12 with the iOS 17.4, but it really doesn't matter which iPhone you have or which version of the iOS you have, it is all going to work the same on every iPhone. So what you want to do is to open settings, then swipe down, tap on the mail. Once you're here, swipe down again and turn on the following up suggestions. When it's green, it means that it is turned on, and if you want to turn this feature off, just make sure that this button is gray. So now it's off, now it's on. So this is it. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and consider to subscribe to our channel. Bye!